Look at everything. Every star, every planet, every person you have ever loved. All of it, together, is 5% of the universe. The rest is missing. You're watching the quantum verse. Here's the official inventory. 5% ordinary matter, 27% dark matter, 68% dark energy. Two words for things nobody has ever identified. Ordinary matter is everything made of atoms. Stars, oceans, phones, you. Every element on the periodic table. All of it, cosmically speaking. A rounding error. And here's the embarrassing part. Until recently, we couldn't even find half of that 5%. Half of ordinary matter itself was missing. In 2020, astronomers used fast radio bursts, millisecond flashes from deep space, as cosmic searchlights. The missing half was hiding as thin, hot gas between galaxies. Now for the bigger ghost. Dark matter. It outweighs everything you can see 5 to 1. It doesn't shine, reflect, or block light. It only pulls. It was spotted in 1933. Fritz Zwicky clocked galaxies in the Coma cluster, moving far too fast. Something unseen held them together. Colleagues ignored him for decades. Then, in the 1970s, Vera Rubin measured spinning galaxies and found the smoking gun. The outer stars orbit just as fast as the inner ones. That breaks gravity as we know it, unless every galaxy sits inside a huge invisible halo, 5 times heavier than all its stars combined. And in 2006, 2 galaxy clusters collided. The hot gas slammed and stalled, but the mass, mapped by bent light, sailed straight through. This picture is the evidence. So what is it? Not gas. That would glow. Not dead stars or black holes. Surveys ruled most of that out. Not ordinary neutrinos. Too fast, too light. So the hunt went underground. In a former gold mine in South Dakota, nearly a mile down, sits a tank of 10 tons of liquid xenon. The plan is absurd and beautiful. Wait, in silence, for one dark matter particle to bump one xenon nucleus. Years of watching? Not one confirmed tap. In Washington state, another team built a supercooled radio. If axions exist, a magnetic field turns them into faint microwave notes. They tune it, channel by channel. Then there's the field's strangest result. Under an Italian mountain, one experiment has seen its signal rise every June and fall every December for 25 years. A dark matter wind as Earth orbits through the galaxy's halo? Maybe. Except twin experiments see nothing. Nobody can reproduce it. It remains an unsolved anomaly. Which brings us to the monster, dark energy. In 1998, 2 rival teams timed exploding stars, expecting to measure how much the universe is slowing down. Both found the opposite. The expansion is speeding up. Something is pushing space apart. Everywhere. All at once. It earned the 2011 Nobel Prize. Einstein had the idea first, in 1917. A constant added to his equations, then thrown away. By Gamo's telling, his biggest blunder, it came back. When quantum theory computes that constant, it overshoots by 10 to the power 120. The worst prediction in the history of physics. And right now, it's getting stranger. A telescope in Arizona has mapped millions of galaxies, and the data hints dark energy may be weakening over time. The evidence sits near 4 sigma, below the discovery bar, but growing. If it holds, the textbook model of the universe is wrong, and its fate is open. Time for the conspiracies. First, dark matter is a fudge factor, a cover-up to save broken physics. Reality? Rival theories are published, funded, and tested in the open. The bullet cluster is why most physicists stay convinced. Mass and matter visibly split apart. A fudge factor doesn't show up in a photograph. Second, a collider will brew dark matter and swallow the Earth. Cosmic rays outgun any collider every single day, and have for billions of years. We are still here. Third, dark energy healing crystals. Dark energy is a whisper of vacuum, 30 zeros past the decimal point. It cannot charge you, cure you, or align you. So, here's the honest scoreboard. Known, how much there is, where it clusters, how it shaped every galaxy. Unknown, what any of it actually is. And that flips the picture. You are not made of the universe's default material. You are the rare stuff. The 5% that can burn, think, and wonder. 95% of reality is still a locked room. So here is my question. Does physics crack it in your lifetime, or does the universe keep it secret?